This is Jeremy with Resolutions, coming to you today from Thirsty Frog Tavern. I'm about to explain the remote control and how to manipulate the televisions. You can see one behind me. And also the house music system, how to get the speakers throughout to play the sound source that you would like. On the remote control, there's a light button on the side. When you press that light button, it makes the screen light up blue so it's easier to see in dim lighting. When you hit the watch button, you'll have selections on screen of the three TVs in the dining room, A, B, and D. C does not exist any longer. And then TVs E and F, which are out in the bar area. E and F are mirrored along each side of the bar. So you have three TVs on E, three TVs on F. TV D is actually mirrored on the back side of the bar, and that's the television here behind me. I'm about to explain how all of that works. So once you've hit the watch button, then you can select which TV you'd like to control. For this example, let's go to TV F, and TV F is here, across over top of the booths, and F is also the TV at the bar. So now that I've selected TV F on the remote control, I can use the guide. I can use channel up and down. I can use the number pad to manipulate any of the channels I want. And I know I'm controlling that cable box because it says TV F at the top of the remote. So I'm going to hit exit. And you don't have to point the remote anywhere in particular. I'm just doing that for the sake of the video. There may be instances where you have some interference from radio frequency waves that are being generated by some of the signage and neon signs, things of that nature. So you may want to be careful about where you stand with the remote control. If you're not getting a response, you may want to try it again. So now that I've selected TV F and I can change all of that, I could go back, hit watch, and select any of the other TVs that I'd like to control. And that takes care of the video system for day-to-day operations. When you start up the system, you can go to watch, hit the on button. That will turn all of the televisions on, set them all to the correct inputs, and basically start the bar for the day. Likewise, when you go to watch and hit off, that will shut off the bar at the end of the night. That's the best way to shut it all down. You do not go to each individual box to turn it off. You turn it off globally from the watch page. Watch off. On the listen side, you can select the four zones. You have patio, which of course is outside, the upper section above the bar itself, and the dining room speakers. Once you make a selection, such as the bar, then you can choose any of the three sources: the jukebox, the cable box, or AM/FM. We have chosen to make the sound for cable box F, F as in Frank, be the sound for the house music. So anything that cable box F is playing can come through that. But if you want to play the jukebox music through the house music speakers, you would have to select jukebox in each of the four areas. So you would have to go to listen, dining room, jukebox, and then listen, bar, jukebox, and continue to do so until you've established that for all four areas. But again, shutting it down at the end of the night, you will want to go to watch and hit off. Watch is the major key there. Use it in good health.